Vaze's immediate subordinate, Riazuddin Qazi, who is also known to be Sachin Vaze's right-hand man, has agreed to turn approver. The NI has informed the court that Riazuddin Qazi will become an approver. He, in fact, is given already his consent to turn an approver in this case. He is known to be the right-hand man of Sachin Vaze. Let's go across to my colleagues Rakesh and Siddhant. Let's first, in fact, go across to Rakesh, who's getting us this breaking input. Riazuddin Qazi has agreed, given his consent, to turn an approver in the case.
Yes, and that is a big development in this entire case, and that will become a key evidence for the NI in this investigation. Riazuddin Qazi, the assistant police inspector in CIU, who was working in Sachin Vaze's team and was allegedly involved in this entire conspiracy, has agreed to turn approver for the NI. Remember, he's been called at the NI office for last 7 to 10 days, and he was being grilled for more than 10 hours each and every day. Now, what we are learning from our sources that he has agreed to become the approver, and the same has been notified to the concerned court by the NI. Definitely, it's a big development for NI, and also more trouble for Sachin Vaze in this case.
Right. Stay on with us, Rakesh. I want to go across to Siddhant as well. In fact, Siddhant, Riazuddin Qazi is also one of those who was working with Sachin Vaze in this case as well. So he will further help the NI establish Sachin Vaze's role. I believe he also helped him gather some CCTV footage.
That's correct, Swati. This is the input that we are getting from the court. Arguments are still going on. So at the time of the submissions, NIA has informed court that we have been questioning Riazuddin Qazi. He was right-hand man of Mr. Sachin Vaze, working for the same unit. And as you rightly mentioned, that he was somebody who went to procure the CCTV footage of Sachin Vaze's society. And this became perhaps the reason that he is currently being grilled. He has been, he was questioned by the NIA. Now today NIA tells the court that Qazi has agreed to reveal the entire conspiracy. Qazi has agreed to tell everything to the court, and this is the reason that this information has come from the courtroom, and it is a big development in the case and a big achievement for the NIA also, because there are a lot of circumstantial evidences, there are CCTV footages, there are other incriminating evidences as well. But because ATS has managed to make Riazuddin Qazi as an approver, this will make this case more strong. And along with this, Swati, the UAPA section 16 and 18 have also been applied to the case. So now NIA would be able to take Sachin Vaze in custody for a longer period of time.
Right, Siddhant and Rakesh, stay on with us. We have some more elements on this big story. Sachin Vaze maze is now unraveling here on Times Now. Our correspondent has tracked down the travel agency which booked the room in the name of Sushant Kamkar in a 5-star hotel, but it was being used by Sachin Vaze, who had forged a fake ID card.
सर मुझे बस ये बताइए कि क्या सीन है। हमको बताया गया कि एजेंसी ने कि भाई 100 दिन की बुकिंग ली थी।
एक बिजनेसमैन है, ही वाज फ्रॉम, ही इज अ क्लाइंट ऑफ अस, वो हमसे रेगुलर बुकिंग करता था। तो उसने 2 महीने पहले बुकिंग दी हमको, सुशांत खेमकर के नाम है। उनको 100 नाइट चाहिए, वो मेरे दोस्त है, उनको 100 नाइट चाहिए, बुकिंग करो। उनका हमारे ही बिजनेस क्यों नहीं, 2-3 होटल का मेरे को आप बता दीजिए। तो मैंने जो मरीन प्लाजा कोटेशन दिया उनको, तो कोटेशन वो को सही लगा, तो उसको बोला बुक कर दो। तो उन्होंने होटल में मेल भेजा, बुक किया 100 नाइट उनके लिए। और
कब तक
ये यू कैन यूज इन पीरियड ऑफ 1 ईयर।
और कितना पेमेंट किया था?
30 लाख रुपीज।
30
उन्होंने हमको चार्जेस हमको दिया। सुशांत खेमकर का हमको कुछ पता ही नहीं।
और पेमेंट कैसे हुआ था?
उन्होंने मुझे पैसा दिया था,
कैश
कैश दिया था, तो आधार एवरीथिंग दिया था, सब हमको डॉक्यूमेंट्स दिए। पैसा
कौन है?
इज अ बिजनेसमैन, उसका ज्वेलरी का उसका
कहाँ पे?
जयपुर।
एग्जैक्ट बता सकते हैं?
उसके आगे तो मैं एक्चुअली वो कल वो भी पूछ रहे थे मुझे, वो मेरा जो ये जो बुकिंग किया ना, ये हमारा रिलेटिव किया है, को उधर कल बुलाएगा उधर डिपार्टमेंट में, तो उधर ही बुलाएगा।
More breaking inputs coming in. Another big scoop by Times Now. Mega investigation by Times Now. Mahesh Chhajed's brother has spoken to Times Now, and he has said that he knows about Classic Holidays. He is my brother's friend. We have a sequence, and we also have Siddhant and Rakesh. Let's first take a look at the sequence.
मतलब आपके भाई है ना? हाँ। तो क्या कुछ बताया था उन्होंने कि बड़े से मतलब बड़े थे वो? नहीं भाई साहब का केस कहाँ था क्या? हाँ केस एंटी मार्ग में था या फिर वो भाई का मालूम है, मैंने तो पूछा नहीं।
इन्होंने होटल बुकिंग कराई थी ऐसा एनआईए का कहना है ट्राइडेंट में?
नहीं अपने कोई नहीं करा है।
ये जो क्लासिक हॉलीडेज वाले हैं आपके दोस्त हैं?
वो भाई के फ्रेंड है।
वो अच्छा परमिशन के लिए है, क्या मालूम क्या है,
लेकिन भाई जा रहे हैं
क्या करेंगे? अब बताओ इनका क्या संबंध है? हमको क्या लेना देना?
एक बात बताओ, यहाँ पे
एक आप खुद सोचो, वाले हम क्यों करेंगे?
चैनल वाले आप लोग यहाँ आप लोग
हमसे क्या पूछेंगे?
कि आपके भाई ने रूम बुक कराया है, इस तरह के आरोप।
अरे मैं तो बोला, इसने बोला कि आपको मैंने रूम कराया, तो आपको क्या मालूम रहेगा? नहीं इसीलिए कह रहा था
आपको जो कुछ कहना है
चीजें ना चले, कुछ ना चले, हमारे साथ में चले नहीं चले वो तो ऊपर वाले मालूम है। हमारे को लेना देना नहीं है, तो उसमें मैं आपको फोर्स करूंगा, लेकिन मेरे को कोई संबंध ही नहीं है उसके साथ कि तुमने आपस में क्या किया, मेरे को क्या लेना देना है। एक बात पहली बात हो गई, अभी आप मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड, अभी मैं गया घूमने के लिए, क्या बात हो अभी।
Siddhant and Rakesh continue to be with us. Let me first go across to Siddhant now. Siddhant, the jeweler who in fact asked the agency to book a room in the 5-star hotel, his brother has spoken to Times Now. Though he isn't revealing much, he says the probe is on, I can't speak.
Well, we are the only channel to track and to connect the dots, each and every dot of the case. So this morning we were at the office of the travel agent who booked the room in the Trident Hotel on the request of this jeweler. Now, late in the evening, we are breaking this story for our viewers. He is jeweler's brother. He owns office in Zaveri Bazaar. We went to that office and his brother said that yes, my brother knows that travel agent to whom we have spoken this morning, and he has also done the booking, but he is not ready to reveal anything else. He has to say that agency is probing the case, but we don't have any role to play in this entire conspiracy. He also has to say that being friends with somebody does not mean that we are part of a crime. Now, for our viewers, let me tell this, that from last 5 days, Mr. Mahesh Chhajed is being grilled by NIA. He's being asked to tell his links and his association with Mr. Vaze, because Mr. Mahesh Chhajed only paid 13 lakh cash to the travel agent. This is what travel agent told us this morning in the candid camera conversation. It was Mr. Chhajed only who told that travel agent to book the room for 100 days for Mr. Vaze, and it was Mr. Chhajed only who gave that fake Aadhaar card of Mr. Vaze to the travel agent to book room in the Trident Hotel. So, you know, on one end agency is connecting the dots, and on the other end we, for our viewers, are doing these investigation, you know, to make it a point and to reach out to everyone who is involved in the case, or those who are currently under the lens of the agency.
Rakesh, in fact, a lot of people are coming under the scanner. This also goes on to show how Sachin Vaze had planned everything very carefully.
Yes, Swati. In fact, now this is also under the investigation that this Mr. Chhajed is just 28 to 30 years old. That's what we are told by our sources. But how did he know Sachin Vaze, and what was the reason that he paid this amount to Sachin on behalf of Sachin Vaze? It has been alleged that there were some cases pending against him in 2 police stations in Mumbai, and that is the reason he wanted to settle those cases, and that's the reason he made that payment on behalf of Sachin Vaze to this travel agency, who further had the booking done on behalf of Sachin Vaze in one of the 5-star hotels. So there are multiple witnesses and there are multiple aspects to this case that NI is investigating now. And since this UAPA stringent act is already invoked on the Sachin Vaze, now definitely the investigation will get deeper on this.
Absolutely. Siddhant and Rakesh, thank you very much for joining us with those details in that news break.